Hey, Fred,
Mom! Stop talking! I'm trying to make a video!
Wow, psycho.
Wow, interruption central. Anyways, I'm gonna go fundraising today, yeah! So yeah, it's gonna be so awesome because 95% of the money we make is gonna go to our school, and 5% of it is gonna go to an awesome charity. Oh my darn it, I almost forgot to tell you that the person who sells the most stuff gets a beanbag! Oh, and earlier today I saw Kevin and Judy trying to fundraise, and they just didn't do it right. I mean, I'm a good fundraiser. I know how to get the most money out of people, and Mom taught me. I mean, I know it's weird, but my mom actually kind of does still fundraise. I mean, she makes this homemade shampoo stuff, and then she goes door to door and sells it. I mean, that's how we make most of our living at my house. So yeah, I'm gonna start fundraising the food, yeah! I am gonna get the most money out of these people as I possibly can, trust me. Okay, well my first house is Miss Dunnigan. She's a really old lady, and she'll just be so nice because all old people are nice, it's just a fact. I mean, one time at the mall I saw a little kid push an old lady down all these steps, and she kept on falling and turning and hitting her head. But when she got back up after all those falls, she wasn't even mad. I mean, she totally understood that it was an accident. I mean, old people are so nice. I love them. I really do love them.
Oh, I just love children.
Jeez, Miss Dunnigan, you looking good. Did you lose some weight, girl? Geez, you worked that old body.
Why, thank you, Fred. What are you here for today?
Yeah, anytime. Okay, well, I'm here to fundraise. I'm selling small, medium, and large pizzas, and part of the proceeds will go to a really good foundation.
Oh, why, sure, I'll buy the large one.
Oh, you'll have the large? Okay, that'll be $15.
Oh, shucks, I only have a $50 bill. Do you have change?
Okay, give me that 50. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that because that was a tip. You have to tip me. You know that you have to tip. Bye! Jeez, go Fred, I got $50 out of that old lady. I know there was a little misunderstanding between me and her, but they do need to tip. They need to realize that, so I was right in the end, okay? I was right. Oh, there's Chester! Oh, he's a really nice guy who always hangs around the children's playgrounds. I mean, I bet you he'll buy a bunch. He's really nice. Hi, Chester!
Hey, little boy, come closer, little boy, come closer.
Hi, well, I'm selling pizzas for my school. Do you want to get some?
Oh, that sounds really nice. I'll buy some. You just have to come to my house with me because I left my money back there.
Oh, that sounds kind of weird. I mean, my mom said I should never go to your house specifically because she's heard some really nasty things about you, so...
It'll be our little secret.
I'm leaving! Oh my darn it, that guy was really creepy! I don't even want to think about what would have happened if I would have gone to his house. Okay, the last person I'm going to go to is my mom's friend. She lives in our basement because she doesn't have a job right now, so I'm just going to go right down there and ask her. Hey, it's Fred!
Hello, Fred. How you doing?
Hi, I'm selling pizza for my school, so do you want me? They come in small, medium, and large.
Sure, I'll have a small one.
Okay, that'll be $5. But, most people give a tip. I'm just saying you don't have to, but most people do, and it usually gives quite a big one.
Okay, just take it all. I don't care. I just want to go back to bed.
Really? Thank you so much! Bye! Yay, it actually went pretty well. I mean, I got 3 orders in. And I actually have a whole entire another week to get more money from people, so, I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get that beanbag. Okay, well, I'm gonna go count all the money I made, so I'll talk to you guys later up in this hizzy. Peace out, home dog!